everyone, this is Arlene Mendez, and today I'm going to show you how to do the peanut butter cookies, and this time we're going to put walnuts in it. So I have here the walnuts, and as you can see also I have the walnuts that's still in the shell. So what I did, I just used the mortar and pestle and then get the walnut from the inside of the shell. So this is how it is. And this is the baked product. This is the peanut butter cookie, and there's the walnut in the middle, and which is tasting really good. And by the way, walnut is high in antioxidants, so this is perfect also for your health, though it's a bit sweet, and at the same time you have some walnuts. So now we are going to sift the flour. We have 1 1/4 cup flour in here, so we're just sifting it all together with 1 teaspoon baking soda, and also 1/2 teaspoon salt. So we're just doing that, and then once this is sifted, and we are setting this aside so we can do the creaming of the butter and the peanut butter. So let's put this aside for now. And we have here on my left side the ingredients for the batter that once it's all together, then we're going to mold it and make it into a cookie like this. So first we are adding the 1/2 cup butter. So I'll just set that aside, and so we'll start with this. We'll just do it for a few minutes. Sugar, we're putting the 1/2 cup of sugar, and actually this time I'm just putting 1/3 because I don't want my cookie very sweet. So we're also adding this. So just 1 tablespoon at a time. Also we have the 1/3 cup brown sugar. Do the same thing, just adding 1 tablespoon at a time. And also we have the vanilla. We're putting 1 teaspoon vanilla. Also we have the egg, so just 1 full egg. So now we are going to put the dry ingredients, so we're just mixing it here. So just put it a bit at a time. We're just trying to mix it. So once this is mixed, then we're going to mold it. So everything is done. This is very simple, and anybody can do it during their busy hour. So now we're just transferring it here, so we should be good now. So this is, as you can see, this is the outcome. of the mixture, and we're just gonna set this aside here. So we'll just put there, and we mix it a bit. You don't want this to overmix, so at least now we can put it here. So I'm just trying to mix it a bit more. So what you can do, you can also use this, or just use your hand to make the molding. So you just do it like that, or just even a spoon will do it. So just do it like this and that, or you can use your hands or your finger, and you just keep doing it until you have completed it, depending on how many dozens you want. Like this, you can just make it smaller, so you can have at least let's say a dozen of this, depending on how it is. And so you can just continue doing that, and once you're done, you can also use the bottom of the glass to just mold it, and then you can use the walnut in here. So you just put it there, and so you just keep adding walnut. And if you don't want anything on top of it, if you don't also have a walnut, you can use pecan or almond, whatever is available. And if you just want it plain, this is how it looks like without the walnut or other nuts on top of it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the show, and I will see you again next